Hi peeps, how are you doing folks? Welcome. Have you been searching how to upgrade RAM on your Dell laptop? Well, you came to the right place. I will be starting with unscrewing these 4 screws here, the row at the very top of the laptop, and I just want you to pay attention that you can't unscrew them all the way. They have a retainer clip underneath, so the screw won't pop out entirely. So please don't try to force it, okay? They're not supposed to go out. No big deal, just regular screws. So you want to start here on this model and just be gentle and work your way progressively all around the laptop. And take your time, don't hurry. The last thing you want to do is damage your equipment. Okay, let's get to it. I will be using this. Last thing you want to do is to stick this prying tool right here and get this loose. Like so. And then what you want to do, there are 2 hooks right here, okay? So don't try and force it open straight like this, right? In this direction. But move it, just give it a little nudge to this direction, right? Towards you, towards the camera. You do it like this. So I'm going to push it here, push it to you. Okay. Wait for it. Like so. Just want you to see there are hooks here. I will replace the 2 4 GB modules with the 2 8 GB modules, giving me exactly 16 GB of RAM. But before I proceed, I know that some service manuals recommend that before replacing any kind of hardware on a laptop, you should first disconnect the battery. And this is the battery connector, and just be very gentle with it. Okay, let's get the RAM out. like so. No force necessary, and then you just press. And the other 8 GB module. And that's it. Easy peasy, Japanesey, right? No big deal. Before finishing up, I disconnected the battery again because I just want to show you how to reach the SSD drive here and maybe someday also replace it. You have this one screw here and you have to unscrew it to get the heatsink out. And here you see an SSD, right? I'm going to put the SSD back. Also reconnect the battery. That's all from me, folks. Thank you for watching. Hope you found this video useful and smooth as well. If you liked it, please don't forget to click on the thumbs up below. And remember, stay safe everyone.